Welcome back to Knowledge Bites. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of meditation. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years across various cultures and traditions, but it's only in recent decades that science has begun to unravel its profound effects on the mind and body. Join us as we explore the science of meditation, its benefits, and how it works to improve mental and physical well-being. The origins of meditation. Meditation has ancient roots, originating in Eastern traditions such as Hinduism and Buddhism. Over millennia, it has evolved into numerous forms, including mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. Each tradition offers unique techniques and goals, but they all share a common focus on cultivating a state of inner peace and awareness. Modern neuroscience has provided incredible insights into what happens in the brain during meditation. Using advanced imaging techniques like fMRI and EEG, scientists have discovered that meditation leads to changes in brain activity and structure. Here are some key findings. Meditation is associated with an increase in alpha and theta brain waves, which are linked to relaxation and reduced anxiety. Regular meditation enhances activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, attention, and self-control. The amygdala, which is involved in processing stress and fear, shows decreased activity during meditation, contributing to a reduction in stress levels. Meditation has been shown to increase the volume of the hippocampus, which plays a crucial role in memory and emotional regulation. The benefits of meditation are extensive, encompassing mental, emotional, and physical health. Here are some of the most well-documented advantages. Meditation is a powerful tool for managing stress. It activates the body's relaxation response, lowering levels of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Studies have shown that meditation can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by promoting a sense of calm and emotional stability. Regular practice of meditation enhances attention span and concentration by training the mind to maintain focus on the present moment. Meditation fosters positive emotions and emotional resilience, helping individuals respond to life's challenges with greater equanimity. Meditation can improve sleep quality by calming the mind and reducing the physiological arousal associated with insomnia. Mindfulness meditation has been effective in managing chronic pain by altering the perception of pain and reducing emotional reactivity to it. Meditation encourages introspection and self-reflection, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Understanding how meditation works involves exploring several key mechanisms. Central to many forms of meditation is the practice of mindfulness, focusing on the present moment without judgment. This shift in focus helps break the cycle of rumination and negative thinking. Many meditation techniques emphasize conscious breathing, which helps regulate the autonomic nervous system and promotes relaxation. A body scan involves systematically focusing attention on different parts of the body, fostering a connection between mind and body and releasing physical tension. In practices like Transcendental meditation, repeating a mantra helps quiet the mind and induce a state of deep relaxation. Practices that cultivate feelings of love and compassion enhance positive emotions and reduce negative ones, contributing to emotional well-being. One of the most exciting discoveries about meditation is its impact on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Regular meditation practice can lead to structural changes in the brain, such as increased gray matter density in areas associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. This suggests that meditation not only changes brain function but can also alter brain structure over time. Starting a meditation practice can be simple and accessible. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Begin with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Choose a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Pay attention to your breath, observing the sensations of each inhale and exhale. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and avoid judging your progress. If you're new to meditation, guided meditations can provide structure and support. Regular practice is more beneficial than occasional long sessions. Aim for consistency in your practice. The science of meditation reveals that this ancient practice offers a wealth of benefits for the mind and body. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing focus and emotional well-being, meditation is a powerful tool for improving overall health. By understanding the mechanisms and benefits of meditation, you can harness its power to cultivate a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the science of meditation. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of wellness and science. See you next time.